Welcome to a transformative journey of self-discovery and empowerment. Are you ready to unlock the power within you to cultivate unshakable confidence and invite boundless love into your life? If you've ever yearned for a deeper connection with yourself and others, then this is the moment that you've been waiting for. As you enter this sacred sanctuary, allow the gentle whispers of these affirmations to envelop you like a warm embrace, guiding you towards a life filled with love, joy, and abundance. Together, let us embark on a journey of profound transformation and unleash the radiant essence of your true self. Take a moment to let these affirmations sink in. At any point during this video, feel free to pause and repeat them out loud to yourself. I am worthy of love, unequivocally and unconditionally. My essence, my very being, is a beacon of love, radiating out into the universe and drawing back to me the love that I so richly deserve. I honor and embrace every facet of my being, knowing that each aspect contributes to the beautiful tapestry of my existence. With each breath, I cultivate a deep and profound gratitude for the magnificent soul that I am. I am grateful for the love that flows through me, the love that surrounds me, and the love that I am capable of bestowing upon others. In every moment, I choose to see the splendor and magnificence that surrounds me, and I offer my gratitude to the universe for its infinite blessings. I am confident, resolute, and steadfast in my purpose. I trust implicitly in my own innate wisdom and inner strength, knowing that I am fully equipped to overcome any challenge that comes my way. I walk this journey with grace and dignity, embracing each twist and turn as an opportunity for growth and self-discovery. I am a beacon of love and light, drawing to me kindred spirits who recognize and honor the beauty of my soul. I welcome into my life loving, nurturing relationships that uplift and inspire me, and I give thanks for the profound connections that enrich my existence. I release with love any lingering doubts, fears, or insecurities that may have been tethered to me in the past. I am a powerful co-creator of my reality, and I choose to manifest a life filled with love, joy, and abundance in all of its forms. I stand firmly rooted in the knowledge that I am deserving of all of the love and happiness that the universe has to offer. As I affirm these truths, I feel a deep sense of peace and serenity wash over me, like a gentle tide caressing the shore. I am whole, I am loved, and I am enough. I carry this profound truth within me, knowing that it serves as a guiding light on my journey through life. Take a moment to bask in the radiant glow of these affirmations, allowing their transformative power to permeate every fiber of your being. Feel the love, confidence, and strength coursing through you, illuminating your path and lighting the way forward. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and return to the present moment, carrying with you the unwavering confidence and deep sense of self-love that will magnetize love and abundance into your life. You are a radiant being of light and love, deserving of all of the blessings that the universe has to offer. Thank you for embarking on this profound journey of self-discovery and empowerment with me. May you continue to walk your path with courage, grace, and unwavering confidence, knowing that you are infinitely loved and supported by the universe. Until next time, be well, my friend.